I'm Christy with Energy Products and Design. I want to share with you why it is so very important to put not only a burner cover on your fire table, but you also want a protective vinyl cover. We had our burner cover on over the season, but we couldn't find our vinyl protective cover. So we just thought, oh well, we're just gonna deal with it. So I came outside thinking I'm gonna sit and have just a relaxing night tonight and enjoy the nice cool weather outside. And this is what I hear when I turn the gas on to my fire table. Are you ready? Yeah, there's a gurgling noise. That means we have water in our burner. Now, this is okay, the burner is made of stainless steel, but when you sit out here, it's not very relaxing to hear this gurgling noise. In order to have the water go away, what we have to do is just let the fire run. And eventually all of that water, however much water is in there, will evaporate. So tip to the wise, make sure you put your burner cover on and also get like a vinyl or a protective cover to go over the top of your table, or you might get to listen to this fun sound.